bye. See ya.
Well, you're getting on with the girl too, right?
Yeah, it's going well.
Wow. I got a couple of them anyway. I'll tell you about that. They're very interesting. Did